Hey everybody, if you'd like to see a flip through the Happy Planner budget planner for 2019, please stay tuned. Hey Planner Babes, how are y'all doing? So here we are with the Happy Planner flip through for the 2019 budget planner, as you guys can see. So I'm going to see if I can take this off. I done started off on the wrong. Oh, okay. All right, so let's just take that part off. Okay. All right, so I'm going to take this off. And it's the budget edition 2019, January until December, and it's a vertical layout, okay? All right, so here it is. So the secret of getting ahead is getting started, okay? So here we are. We have the regular, welcome to your new Happy Planner and things of that sort there. Then we have the plastic here, so I'm just going to take this plastic off. I should have took my X-Acto knife to take it off, but I did it that way, so it's all good. All right, so it says, hello, this is Happy Planner, budget belongs to, and you can insert your name here. And this is for 2019. And here we are, so let's just, yeah, I guess green because of money. You guys, I'm always saying something about the green, but anyway. So if you guys remember the old planner edition, budget planner edition book, planner, you know that they had the same thing here. And I don't think they had this here. So this is different. This is nice. Do something today that your future self will thank you for. Okay. January 2019. Okay. And then this is, here we are here. The weekly spreads. Oh, they got, okay, if you work hard enough, results will come. All right. They have little sayings at the bottom. Make yourself proud. All right. So now this is February. What's up with all this green, though? You see what I'm saying? Like, how this green and you got peach. You see what I'm saying? Like a peach color. y'all know I'm not about. And you would think February because it's Valentine's Day, they put red. But they put red. Okay. But anyway, as you guys can see, these are the spreads here. Oh, what that say? Remember why you started. Some nice inspirational quotes here. Oh, then they have the expense tracker and the bill pay. It's a little different. Do they have month at a glance? No, it's not called month at a glance anymore. It's called monthly budget. Okay, it's not as like month at a glance. We had a lot of stuff going on with it before on the other one. Hustle hard, girl. Okay, so we got March here. Yo, is this the theme, y'all? Like, it's mad green. Well, I guess because St. Patrick's, but don't let yesterday take up too much of today. Okay. All right, y'all. So I'm sorry, y'all need to give me a ring light. I will get that soon. Oh, you got this. Green again. April. Okay. Oh, I like that. It's a nice navy blue. Why the color schemes off like that, though? You see what I'm saying? I mean, I guess this is I'm sorry, y'all. I'm not really feeling the color schemes of this. It's too much green. I'm guessing because, like I said, it's budget. But anyway, playing your dreams. Oh, Lord. I'm still going to use it, though. You see what I'm saying? Like, green. I think that's just a personal thing of me. So, I mean, everything seems like to be in place and everything. So, I'm not going to take it back. See, green. I guess, like I said, the budget. June. Y'all. I'm flipping through this like, what? And the numbers are big, which is good to those of you that probably, have trouble seeing. I think that's a good thing. Anything is possible if you got enough nerve. Okay? Why July had to be green? That's my birthday. July. Okay. Oh, why is this? Yeah, I guess because I get it because it's money. Money is green. I get it, but see, look, why August had to have pink? Why couldn't I have pink? Why couldn't I have this color for August? You see what I'm saying? I know y'all like, what? It's all good. I'm still gonna use it. I like Happy Planner. I really do. I do like Happy Planner. It's just sometimes the color schemes. Don't just survive, thrive. Oh, that's nice. Oh, okay, I kind of like this. Okay. Again with the green. Again. Once again. Okay. October. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Oh, snap. Okay. I like these colors right here. These colors are pretty cool. I know I'm flipping through it pretty fast, but yeah. Okay. We are approaching almost the end, so we're almost done. You know, one thing that's good about this, they don't have as much expense trackers and bill pay. And the other one, they had too many of them because, like, I never was able to fill up the whole page. I only had like a few lines. My bills, I don't have that many bills, so I guess they figure about that. That's a good thing because that was just, you know, extra paper that was not needed. Okay, this November. So that's the one good thing that they did. They put less of that in there. So I think that was pretty cool. Because I guess people was talking about it was too many pages of these. So that's good. And it says monthly budget is not month at a glance anymore. Work hard, dream big. That's December. Okay. And we are at the end. We are approaching the end. All of these are the weekly spreads. You guys can see. And we're at the end. And we're at notes. How many notes do we have? Just that. And we got the at the back. Okay. And we could just take this off. Okay. And the end. All right, so let me take this thing off here. Having a problem with this because it's gonna get on. Hold on. Okay. All right, there we go. Okay. All right, so that's the back. All right, so here we go. I hope I wasn't blurred that whole time. Okay, so the secret of getting ahead is getting started. Okay, so the last one that they had, it didn't have that in the beginning, but they have like some inspirational things and stuff like that, just to keep you going with the budgeting, because budgeting can be hard. I know it's hard. I had to start from scratch, so yeah, so I think this is pretty good, and it starts in January, so I definitely will be doing videos with this, and I will be keeping up, and we all have to, you know, try to keep up if you're trying to budget. And it's hard when there's a lot of things that you want, but you just have to say no to, and I have to learn to do that. Like, it's so hard to say no. So I really have to get back on my game and not get knocked off my square, because, you know, I can't be doing that. So there we are. So that's just basically about that. So yeah, so this is it, y'all. So I hope y'all enjoyed the flip through, and I will be doing more vids on my budget. If you guys are interested, please hit the thumbs up for more videos like this, and share and subscribe if you're not subscribed. And that's just basically it about that. And if you have any additional questions, please let me know. I will definitely leave a link down below to where you can get this from. I did purchase this from Michael's, and I believe you can also get this from Hobby Lobby, but I will put both of the links down below if you're an online shopper and you like to shop online, or you just want to see the price for itself and things of that sort. But you know, that's just basically about that. You just shop around and see what's there. And I suggest that you should buy things on sale, especially if you are on a budget. And I have to also learn that too, you know, not be so like, you know, when I see something I need to get it, like, you know, like with shopping, that's not good. Like, I can wait until the sale, whatever the case is. You know, I am learning slowly but surely, but it's okay. But that's basically about that. But anyway, I digress. Okay, so this is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for continuing to watch my videos and staying with me. I really do appreciate all of y'all support. Thank you so much to my true supporters. I thank you so much, and I try to support as much as I can, you know, especially in the planner community, because making these videos and things of that sort is hard. It is not easy. It is not easy. And to those planner babes out there, know that this takes a lot of hard work and dedication. you know, whether you're planning or doing other videos. But it's a lot of work coming in front of this camera and trying and setting up things and getting the lighting correct and things of that sort. I'm still working on my lighting situation, but you know, for the planner thing, but it's okay. I will get it soon. But that's basically about that. But yeah, anyway, I just wanted to tell y'all that, and I encourage everyone to try and, you know, get a planner and, you know, try it out if you can, you know, just try it out and see. And you know, being organized helps you, and especially if you forget a lot, I think it's really good, because sometimes, well, most of the time I do forget. So having a planner does help me, so I can look back and be like, oh yeah, I was supposed to do that, or this was supposed to happen, things of that sort. Okay, so yeah, so I highly encourage getting a planner and things of that sort. Okay, all right, so thank you guys for watching. Any questions, comments, please ask. Comment below. Mark, and I said, you know, watching. Peace, bye.